Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late. But was too late. Yeah. We talk about this, can't forget. I'm seeing you in everywhere, in everywhere. Every time we Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late. But was too late. Yeah. We talk about this, can't forget. I'm seeing you in everywhere. In everywhere.
This because I like it to kind of like keep my desk clean. This is I got from IKEA, and because it's like right here you can tell that it's already getting a little, you know. So I wish I could get rid of that sofa up everything, but it comes in handy when we have family come over and friends and stuff like that. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna put that gray shelf back over here where it was by my vanity. I'm not sure yet. So yeah guys, so it's clean. All I have to do now, put that blow dryer away. And all I gotta do now is basically vacuum, and then I'm gonna clean all my brushes, but I'll do a separate video on that because I'll show you what I use to clean all my brushes, which I need to get more brushes. These are like only the only brushes that I have. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I just wanted to show you guys a simple, quick and easy, just organizing my and cleaning my beauty room when it gets messy from filming and videotaping and all that good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my social guys. Come on, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss not one video upload that I do, and I upload 3 times a week. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and may God bless you guys.